Namaste and good morning, class 8. Today I'll give you techniques about intercropping vegetables or intercropping vegetable farming. As I have already told you, intercropping vegetable farming means cultivation of various types of vegetable in our farm, in our garden or in our field at the same time. You can see in your neighborhood, or if you are the son of farmers and the person who involved in other profession, some of them also do vegetable farming in kitchen garden. And in kitchen garden, they cultivate different types of vegetable. In only one garden, in only one piece of land at the same time. This is called intercropping vegetables or intercropping vegetable farming technique. There are no any special techniques. You can write yourself also if you have seen or if you belong to farmers family, or if your parents are involving in kitchen gardening work. You can write yourself by your own easy words. But now I will write this for you. First of all, we have to dig or plow our farm properly. We have to dig our farm properly. 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 For 2 or 3 times. 3 times. First of all, we have to dig or plow our farm properly for 2 or 3 times. Then remove unwanted materials like stones, woods, plastics, weeds, etc. And put water if there is not enough. If there is not enough moisture. Put water if there is not moisture. Mix compost manure. They are the initial steps. In any farming, we have to do these steps. And now plant various types of vegetables like potato, cauliflower, brinjal, tomato, chili, potato, tomato, chili. So plant various types of vegetables like potato, cauliflower, brinjal, tomato, chili, coriander, and sow the seeds of some leafy vegetables. Leafy vegetables means sag. Sow the seeds of some leafy vegetables in the same farm. Here I have written potato, cauliflower, brinjal, tomato, chili, coriander. Different vegetables can be planted in one field, and we can separate their area. In one side we can plant cauliflower, other side we can plant potato, other side we can plant brinjal, other side we can plant tomato, other side we can plant chili. So we can separate their place, but in one field we can grow, we can cultivate different types of vegetables, and we can sow the seed, we can spread the seed of leaves, some leafy vegetables, sag. Different sag are there, different leafy vegetables like mustard, seeds of mustard we can spread in the field. Then seeds of rayo sag we can spread in our field. Seeds of peas, mutton we can spread in the field, and everything will be grown in one field. And after that, time to time we have to irrigate. Other point I'll write above. You write this in your copy by pausing my video, and I'll write here some more point is left. Then 5 number, provide care for the plants, time to time, irrigate them, put fence, घेरा, put fence in around around our garden to preserve PRESERVE, preserve the plants from wild animals or domestic animals. Provide care for the plants time to time, irrigate them, put fence around our garden to preserve the plants from wild animals or domestic animals. So there are different steps in farming. It is there is only few points I have written. Put compost, manure, again, and organic pesticides, in the case of attack of insects or diseases. So there are different steps to provide care for the plants, for the vegetables, and they are easy because I feel very much easy. I have been involved in this work also in my village. In my childhood also I had done this work. I had helped my parents, and some of the laborers were also there. They were doing in my farm, so I can understand easily. You can also, I think, understand if you are from farmer's family, or if you are not, if you are from other family, from business men family or from officers family. Even though you can understand by these techniques we can do farming activities, and I have described too much. Again I will describe about different farming related activities are given in other lesson also. So this way we can do. Now don't write more points, and it is enough for you. And in this moment I want to say you goodbye. Have a nice day. Write this in your fair copy and practice this technique. If it is asked in examination, you have to write about technique of intercropping vegetable farming, or if advantage is asked, you have to write advantage also. So now I want to say you goodbye. Thank you.